How you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing all right. I was brought my little lunch with me. I think this is filling. This is what you really should be eating. What are you eating?
Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
Yes.
Well, that meat, it's gonna make you fat, you know.
Yes, but I'm already fat.
You're already fat, but you're gonna add fat to your system and tax your heart and liver and kidney more.
Yeah.
That's gonna cause problems.
I know.
See, that meat has chemicals in it, and it gets caught up in the fat. And when it gets released, it kind of like destroys your muscles and your bones and your eyes, causing arthritis, high blood pressure, and muscle deterioration.
Well, what am I supposed to eat?
What are you supposed to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't think cows eat hamburgers, and they seem to be quite healthy.
I have the hamburger.
Yeah, that's why they don't eat hamburgers. Because they don't want to put that junk in their system. They wouldn't eat cheese. Cows don't eat cheese because they know it's harmful. So now you're eating things that even a cow wouldn't eat. And plus, that's a dead carcass there. It's like you're using your body as a cemetery and burying a dead cow in it. You should put a tombstone on your head.
And what shall it say?
It should say,
ate the cow and I died.
It should say, here lies an ignorant woman who ate my body.
Yes, but I don't necessarily have to be ignorant to eat it. You know, if you don't know anything different, then that's what you do. But it doesn't mean that I'm ignorant because I ate it.
So
I like it.
You're controlled by your ignorance.
No, I'm controlled because I'm hungry.
And you're
like
hungry because?
Well, it's natural to eat.
Oh, so let us say this is natural to eat.
Mm-hmm.
So if I gave a 6-month-old baby or 1-year-old child a burger or some alcohol or a cigarette, they wouldn't eat it. They would not eat it. They would say the alcohol burns. They'd say the smoke burns. You can't force a child to eat something that's unnatural.
That's right, but a child doesn't know that a hamburger is unnatural.
Right, because they weren't taught to eat the hamburger.
Right.
You're eating what you were trained to eat, like a trained horse. You give them a block of sugar and they run around the track. So you're eating like a trained horse.
But it is too late for me now.
It's only too late when you're dead.
Yeah. But I'm going to die at some time in my life, whether I eat good or don't eat good, right?
The cow didn't say that.
No, he didn't have to say that, but God said that. Everybody has to die.
Okay. So?
I enjoy this.
You know, you talk like a food addict. You're addicted to food.
Yes.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
No, I'm happy.
Just like an addict. As long as you can get your drug with all those chemicals and steroids and estrogen and nitrites in it, you're happy.
Yes.
You need therapy.
Probably.
Yeah.
But I think people that don't eat anything also need therapy.
This is not anything?
No, not to me. I mean, a bird wouldn't eat that and be full.
You mean I'm stupid for eating this apple?
Yes. And if that's all you eat, yes.
Well, I was planning on eating maybe another apple.
Oh, I see.
So I'm twice as stupid?
Sure.
I have bologna.
Yes,
you can have some of my bologny.
Yeah, eat this bologna. Get some fries.
BOLOGNA.
This is made from the scrap meat that's on the slaughterhouse floor. They have a machine that separates it. So this is pork and chicken and beef all mixed together. Plus it's spoiled.
But it's all one color.
Right.
That's because they put dye in it. They dye this rotten meat. It's actually green. Then they put perfume in it so it make it smell fresh. That's what you that's what you call a burger. First, it's not even ham. So why are they calling it a burger? A hamburger.
You're going to make me sick.
I'm not going to make you sick. I'm making you happy.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. See, this is symbolic here. Don't you understand the symbolism? I don't want to touch that with my hands. You see that? That's a fried potato.
Yes.
So it's going to stay in your body too long. Mm-hmm. And it's going to cause constipation. And it's cause fermentation. Then you can get funky arms because the fumes be coming out through your arms. Then your feet's going to stink because all that's rotten and stinking in your body. So the fumes are going to come out your body. You're going to need deodorant soap after a while.
But you need it anyway.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do need deodorant.
You do.
You do too. Everybody does.
Because you're eating rotten food. The natural deodorant is chlorophyll. If you eat chlorophyll, you wouldn't need the deodorant. Chlorophyll is a natural deodorant.
And where do you put chlorophyll?
In your mouth.
You mean to tell me you don't use any deodorant?
It's chlorophyll that I use. Chlorophyll.
Where do you get chlorophyll from?
Fresh, green, leafy vegetables. Romaine lettuce, spinach. Eating it raw, you get the chlorophyll. It's a natural deodorant. Now, don't you feel better?